Hello everyone, we are going to begin with our new topic, that is customer relationship management. The term itself has three words: customer, relationship and management. Means managing relationship with your customers is customer relationship management. Now what is the need? What is the purpose of CRM? What is the definition of CRM? What are the features of CRM? What are the components of it? What are objectives of it? What are customer touch points? Different customer types and developing customers are our the topics of present presentation. When we go back to the history of CRM, first, we see that the business started with the simple task of buying and selling. Then in later 80s, it comes to relationship marketing, means managing a relationship started in later 80s. And the data of customers was started integrating in early 90s. And then in mid 90s, there was the starting of CRM, that is customer relationship management. And now from 2000 onwards, 2002 onwards, we are starting with the CRM. ECRM means managing customers on web, email, wireless techniques, etc. Now, first of all, I would like to define what is customer relationship management. As the definition says, it is a business strategy with outcomes that optimizes profitability, revenue, and customer satisfaction. First of all, we need to start the customer relationship management with customer satisfaction. That will ultimately increase our profitability and revenue. Another thing that is important in the definition is organizing around business strategy with outcomes by organizing around customer segments. Means we have to make a strategy that moves around our customers, not moves around our business, but moves around our customer. Focus on customer needs, focus on customer demands, focus on consumer behavior. That is the whole customer relationship management says. Yeah, put importance on customer centric processes. It is a strategy that learns about customer needs and behavior, and it helps in developing a stronger relationship with them. Now comes what are the features of CRM. First of all, in CRM, we need to focus on customer needs. Until and unless we know what customer needs, we cannot put on further or we cannot increase our sales. We have to make a product that the customer needs, that is the demand of the customer, that may satisfy some of its wants. Then comes what is its response, means the product that we are offering to the customer is able to satisfy its needs or demands or not. Then comes, is the customer satisfied with our products? If he is satisfied, next important term is loyalty. Means if he is satisfied with our product, that he is going to buy it again and again or not. Suppose we take the example of a shampoo. I would like to buy a shampoo called Tresemme. If I am the loyal customer of Tresemme, then I am going to buy it again and again. But if it not satisfy me, then after one time use, I am not going to buy it again. Then comes retention, means after comparing many products, the customer is not only loyal to you but is retaining, means he is using your products. Then comes how we deal with customer complaints. Means if the customer is not satisfied with our product or if he has in some trouble with using our products, then we should sort out that complaints. That is called as customer service. Now, what is the underpinning theory about customer relationship management? Customers have many points of contact within organization. That is, suppose we take the example of banks. So, when a customer comes into bank, he has to meet with the number of people in the banks, at the cash counter, at the inquiry counter, many times. So when he goes over there, he must get the satisfying answers. Then only he will be satisfied with the bank. Some customers are more profitable than others. Suppose most of the customers brings us profit by mouth publicity. By the use of technology, we can retain our customers. Now, what are the components of customer relationship management? The first component is people management. Next component is lead management. Lead means we get the information that the person is interested in our product, then we should contact him. Then Salesforce automation means we should have the number of marketing people. They are well versed with our product and they are ready to promote our product. Then customer services, marketing, workflow automation, business reports, and analytics, that is managing the data of the customers. Why customer relationship management is important? Because it helps in increasing our customer services. It helps in increasing our efficiency. It helps in lowering operating cost. It helps in aiding the marketing department. That helps the marketing department to grow or to increase our sales and revenue, ensuring and enhancing customer satisfaction, and helps the sales force.